Hi guys, welcome to Football Daily. Yeah, back in the studio today, bringing you guys a brand new Football Daily. Now, in today's show, we are going to discuss about Mesut Ozil and Socrates, and we are going to discuss about Paul Pogba and his comments, and lastly, we are going to discuss about England. Let's start. Now, last night, Arsenal announced their Europa League squad for this season, and two major names who were absent in that squad were Mesut Ozil and Socrates. Now, we all know with Socrates, his move to Napoli fell through during the summer. There were some complications with the deal, and it didn't happen. Yeah, so he's in his last year of contract, and I do think he's going to be a free agent soon, latest by this week or January. So I do think he's going to move on. And the other interesting player which was not in the squad was Mesut Ozil. So we are definitely not going to see Mesut Ozil playing in the Europa League this season. And last season, after the lockdown, Mesut Ozil didn't feature in the Premier League as well. He wasn't even on the bench for most of the games, and he didn't have any contribution in the play after lockdown. So no Mesut Ozil this season in the Europa League. And this week is the Premier League squad submission for the season as well, this season as well. So if Mesut Ozil is not in that squad, we are not going to see him for the whole season. And this is major news, guys. So a whole season, we are not going to see our top earner play on the pitch, which is huge. And as we all know, this is his last year of contract. He'll be a free agent after this, and we'll never see him playing for Arsenal again. If he's not picked in the Premier League, that's it. It's done. Yeah, it is what it is with Mesut. He'll earn his wages sitting back at home playing Fortnite. Yeah, alright. Now, next piece of news. Paul Pogba was asked in his interview about his rumored move to Real Madrid, and these were his comments. He mentioned that it was his dream move. He would like to play for Real Madrid someday. And this is interesting, guys. This rumor is getting hotter day by day. Since Paul Pogba has entered his last year of contract with Manchester United, and there have been no talks of contract extension between the club and the player. Last season, Ole Gunnar Solskjaer managed to convince him to stay. Since Paul Pogba was on the move after his antics with Mourinho. But he stayed last season, and this season he's entering in his last year of his contract. So who knows, if there are no contract negotiations, he's going to move to Real Madrid for sure. Let's see, only time will tell. Lastly, we move on to England, and last night game against Wales. Last night there was a difference in England's formation. They were playing two up top, two strikers. Those two strikers are basically the strikers who are in form in the Premier League. Calvert-Lewin for Everton and Dan Ings for Southampton. After the match, Gareth Southgate was asked about this, and he said it's a good headache to have. All the strikers who are in form. Basically, Kane is number 9 for England, and it's very rare that you play two strikers up top. But yeah, last night England played with two up top, and it worked. It worked very well. Yeah, let's see which formation does Gareth Southgate go with during the Euros. And congratulations to Calvert-Lewin, by the way. Great goal by him last night. And also congratulations to Saka for making his debut for England last night, and he played well. So hope you have a great future with England, Saka, and good luck for your future. Yeah. So guys, that is it. That is it for today's Football Daily. See you tomorrow. Ciao.